Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover Snapchat streaks without paying. If you're using Snapchat and you have lost your streak and now you want to recover your streak, so let's see how can you do that. So very first I have to tell you that you can do this step only for one contact at a time, and you can also keep in mind that you can make this step or you can recover your streak in almost 24 hours, and after that you will not able to recover your streak. So let's start this. You just have to open your Snapchat app here, and in Snapchat you have to tap on your profile in the top right corner. Select settings app from here, and now just scroll down and you'll find the option of sport and feedback. You just have to select I lost my snap streak from here, and then you have to select any option that how do I restore my streak, or I am having a trouble restoring my streak, or how do I request a refund for a streak purchase. So you just have to select the first one or the second for the step. Or if you want to pay for that, you can select the third one. I'm going to select the first one, and here you will get some description if it's helpful, so you can easily try this. Or if this doesn't work for you, you have to go back, open the second one from here, then select iOS from here. Or if you're using any Android, you can also select Android, and then you just have to scroll down and you'll find the option of it is helpful. So you can try this way. If this not work for you, you can select no option from here, and then you have to enter your issue. And after once you have entered your issue, just select the submit option, and after that your Snapchat streak will be successfully restored. In this way you can easily restore your Snapchat streak in up to 24 hours. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.